Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Coding with Ankit. Today's topic is get all subsequences. Let's get started. So what is subsequence? A subsequence is a sequence derived from another sequence by deleting some or no elements without changing the order of remaining elements. So what we can do, either we will delete some character from the string, or we can keep it, and we can delete multiple character also, and with that, without changing the order, we will whatever result we will get, that we can call as a subsequence. So so in ABC the subsequence can be blank, C, B, BC, A, AC, AB, ABC. If the length of the string is n, then we can produce 2 to the power n subsequences. And how we will do it? What we will do, first, one by one we will pick the character from the string, and we will remove that character from the string. So first it is ABC, we'll remove A, then we will remove B, then we will remove C. So once it becomes a blank, that time we will create an array list, and there we will store blank. So for blank string, the subsequence will be only blank. Then we will add C into the result array list. So you can see I'm taking C as a string. The array list is containing blank string. So first, how we will get the subsequence? By adding this, blank will be there first element, then we will add C in the blank, so it will become C. So now array list is containing blank and C. Then once we added C, now we will add B here. So blank will come again, same as whatever we have. Then B will be added to blank, then it will become B. Then C will come by default. Then B will be added to C, then it will become BC. Now we will add A. So same way, first blank will come, then we will add A with blank, then it will become A. Then B will come, then we will add A with B, then it will become AB. C will come, then we will add A and C, it will become AC. BC will come, then we will add A, then it will become ABC. So that's how we are getting all the subsequences from given input. Let's write the logic for this, and then later we'll discuss how we are driving. And we will be using recursion for this. I'm using Java class to build the logic. Our input will be string str abc. So for abc we have to find all the subsequences. How we'll find it? We'll create a separate method, public static, which will return array list. So whatever subsequence we have, those we will insert into array list, and that array list will return as a response. So this will return array list of string. Method name get all subsequences. Here we will take only one input, string str. So first we told what we will do. We will remove one character from the string, and for remaining character we will try to find the subsequences. And then one by one we will add those character in the result. So first, remove one character from the string. How we will do it? We will use str dot character array at 0th index. So it will remove the first, it will get the first character into this, and then those character we have to remove from the string. We will take this as a remaining string, rest of the string str dot substring 1. So the 0th character will be removed from the string, and rest we are storing into the rest of the character ROS. And for this ROS we have to find the subsequence now. So first let's create a array list where we will store our response, main result, new array list. So in this basically we will be storing all our responses, and that will return from this function, return mr. So this is our main result. After this, once we build this array list, inside that we will try to get the subsequence of this remaining ROS for that, and that will also give us array list, because the response of this method is array list only, array list of history. This will give us remaining result, we can say remaining result. And here what we will do, we will call get all subsequence of ROS, rest of the string. So for rest of the string we will get the subsequence, and that we will store into RR, remaining result, we can say. Now we will add a base case. So one by one we can see we are removing one character from the string. So first we will be removing A, then remaining rest of the string will become BC. Then we will remove B from the starting of the string. Then rest of the string will become C. Then we'll remove C. Then rest of the string will become blank. So once we reach at the blank, and blank we are passing in ROS. Then we will check if str.length equal to 0. That means it is blank. Or we can check for blank also. We are checking length here. Then we will build our array list string that we can name as a base result, new array list, and in this base result we will add blank, because for blank string the subsequence will be blank only. So only one blank string we will add in the array list, and that array list we are returning as a response from here. So now here we will get blank array list with blank string. So that our remaining result, and this is now we have just created the array. We are not storing anything right now here. So now once we got the subsequence of blank string, then we have to add this C character into this all the subsequences. How we will do it? We will add a for loop string RSS from RR. We will pick all the string from this RR array list, and that we have to add into MR. MR main result add. First we will add whatever string we are getting from this RR array list. So first that means it will give us blank, and then we will add the other character, the whatever character we have pulled from the string, that is C here. So we'll add C. I will add CC plus RRS. So now it will become C plus blank. So that's how now these two will be added in the MR, and now MR will become blank comma C. So these two string we have added. So we know for C the subsequence will be blank and C. So we got that, and that we will be returning here from this method. So now we can remove this blank from here. C also will remove, because we are returning from here. Once we return here, now ROS is C and CC is B, and this get all subsequence will return whatever result we are storing into MR, that will become blank and C. Now our result is blank and C. Now we have to add B into all the string which is available inside this RR. So first blank will be there only. Blank we will not change it. Then with blank we'll be adding B. So B will be added in the here in the array list. So here you can see blank. First we will keep blank, then we will add B in the blank. So B will be added into main result. Once we add B, then the second string is C. So first C will be kept as same, and B will be added with C. So C will be added in the array list main result, and then BC will be added in the main result. So that's how we got the subsequence of B and C. These all are subsequence of B and C. Then once we cover this for loop, it will return from MR. MR will value will contain this all. So this all value will be now stored into get all subsequence in remaining result. So we'll remove B, C from here and then B from here. So for BC, we know the subsequence will be blank B, C and BC. So that's the subsequence of ROS. ROS result is BC. Now we will add A into all these strings. So you can see RR will contain all these four. First we will add blank and then blank with A. A will add, then this result will become blank and A. After that we have B, then B and then A will add with B. So it will become B comma AB. Then we have C. So first we will add C and then we will add A and C. So that is RR will become A, not RR. Basically we add those in MR. So MR will become like this. A, AB, A, B, AB. Then C we have, then AC, AC. Now the last character is BC. So BC will add first and then A will add with BC. So we will add BC, comma ABC. So and that we are returning as a response in MR. So here we will return this and this will come as a response from final result, as a final result from get all subsequences. So let's print this and see we are getting this same response or not. Get, as we are getting all the detail in a form of array list. So arrays.toString we will print, use arrays.toString to print all the elements from the array list, get all subsequences, and str will pass. There is some error here. mr. It's an array list, we don't have to use arrays.toString. In case of array only we are using that. By default it will print all the elements available in the array list. So you can see I got a blank string A, B, A, B, C, A, C, B, C and A, B, C. That's our subsequences. So one by one we can see with blank we got blank array result. With C we got blank and C. With B, BC we got blank, then B, then C, then BC. With ABC we got blank A, B, AB, C, AC, BC and ABC. Like that it will continue. So with n number of input string we will get to the power n subsequences, and those we will store into array list and will return from this. Now let's talk about time complexity. Time complexity of this algorithm is big of n, because n times we are calling this method. Once we call this, we are looping here in for loop. So for each subsequences, here first it will go till size. After returning from this, after returning from here, after returning whatever result we will get, then we will multiply those times this current character in the main result. So for each entry in the list, we will add that many times. So let's say if you have blank and C, then we are adding B and then C. This for loop will run 2 times based on the size of the array list which we are getting here. That's why the time complexity of this algorithm is 2 to the power n, because every time 2 times will be adding one string, we will adding into all to all the results of the all the entries of the array list, 2 to the power n. And space complexity is constant because we are not creating complexity is n, we can say, because we are storing uh, array list, forming array list, and that will contain 2 to the power n result. So we can say space complexity is also 2 to the power 2 to the power n. So that's about finding all the subsequence of a given string and storing those into array list and returning from the array list. Thank you for watching my video.